Boys, what's good? New film location today. I actually got my bachelor party tonight. I just gotta film and edit first, man. My girl's got her stuff going on at the house, so we're at my mom's studio right now, which is a good thing, boys, because we can go see the puppies. She just got a new one like a couple months ago. And oh, dude, here you are, bro. I don't think you're supposed to be in here, are you? What's up, Georgie? Watch this little guy. This is crazy. Oh, yo, actually, this is a good... Lights, bro! There we go. It's a good time to show. This is one of my mom's pieces of art. She does a lot of cool stuff. It's crazy. I just walk into this place, so what's up, Nelly? This is a 16-year-old dog right here. You ain't doing too hot, are you? Oh, is that my old friend Mailman? I used to live here. Yeah. First off, you're too young for bark like that. You should just chill for another year. You're too old to be barking like that. Both of you. What the fuck is this? Y'all aren't rabbits, man. What are they doing? What are they doing to you, Georgie? Anyway, watch this, boys. Watch this. I'm gonna see if he still does it. I haven't tested it yet. Oh yeah, rips around. What's up? And it's a little too much. Hi, buddy. Okay. Okay, buddy. It's my pal, boys. Back in action, we're back in the action. All right, dude. Oh, look who's back. Georgie, I might have to let you go for a sec, buddy. I gotta film for the boys. You're a needy mother effer, aren't ya? Yeah, go tear around. I don't know if he's allowed to do that either, but hey. Papa Brand's home, boys. Also, boys, of course, as you guys know, we've been giving away little packages that I'm giving to you guys. If you hit the thumbs up, comment down below. I just put some old jewelry that we've reviewed on the channel before that I don't wear or use or da-da-da. It could be one of yours. If you leave a comment, thumbs up, just show support, whatever the hell, boys. Let's get into the damn video, huh? Yeah. So I've been sitting here thinking about how to explain this video, but not actually literally at all. I play with the dogs. But I think, long story short, without any thought with this explanation, as you guys know, I unboxed what I'm stoked about. I'm literally missing my bachelorette party, the first part of it, to film this video because I'm so excited. Bachelor party. Fuck. Not a mistake you can make, Brad. Anyway, we're boxing a giant joint. I said I had enough with YouTube and I'd like to be shut down ASAP. Just kidding, it's not that. YouTube is a joke. It does kind of look tempting, doesn't it? I mean, fuck what's in this, boys. To spark this up, I think we're good to go. No, anyway, you guys know I've been into the NFTs. It's NFT based. I know a lot of you guys are probably like, Brad, like, what's with the NFTs? I don't know, I dig them. When I'm digging jewelry, I do a video on that. That's how it works. That's what I want to do. It's got to do with it. Now, I'm just gonna give a big shout out to the company. I don't even need to do this because it isn't sponsored, but they're beautiful people. The other day I was like, yo, I'm gonna put this video up for you guys because you guys are sick. I want to show it off to the boys. And they're like, okay, no problem. And then I hit them up later. I'm like, never mind. My cat is in cat hospital right now. She might die. And they're like, oh my God, no worries. Take your time. They're just good people. Like, not just that, but like right there. Usually companies are like, yeah, but we don't really care. Like, you said you're gonna make a video on this day. Anyway, they didn't do that. The cat's not dead yet. She's freaking 18 or something, so any day now. Just kidding, I love her. There's gonna be links to them down below. They're beautiful people. Without further ado, I want to get into this package, boys. NFT related, once again. Now, what I have to look for is a fucking knife. I remember as a kid, my mom got rid of all those because I was cutting up everything in the house. So I hope she's restocked since then, and we're gonna go check real quick. That's not a lie, by the way. We just had a couch, what can I say? You know, like, you put one slice in it, we're gonna get a new one, a little more comfortable one. Then she found out it was me that did it, and all of a sudden I'm gonna pick. Backfired real quick. No knives, boys. I must have scarred her for life, but we got scissors. I swear she has knives somewhere. I can't find them. Boys, we're gonna get into this. I'm getting a little bit of an asshole right now, if you will, for not telling you what this is yet, because I can already see it coming through. Boys, if you can guess what this is, leave a comment down below. What am I gonna do? I mean, you're already entered to the giveaway. Leave your Instagram. I might follow one of you guys, man. I'm verified for whatever damn reason. You know what? People always ask me, how do you get verified? Go streaking. Don't do that. That's a bad advice. But anything to end you up on the news in a good, positive way, I should add. That's how you do it. All right, boys, we're getting into this. As you might be able to tell, it's a rug. You probably couldn't tell it all. Damn it. I already gave it away too quick. It looks like a freaking hoagie still. Now that we know it's a rug, boys, this is from Rich Class Decor. I saw him on Instagram doing some like NFTs, making like your digital image into a real art form, and it looks so sick. So I hit him up. I was like, yo, can I get one of these? And then they made it for me, and then they sent it to me. As I actually unbox this, I'm gonna show videos. He sent me a bunch, and this is super entertaining to look at. So here's a bunch of videos of them making the rugs. They did a bunch of Bored Apes and stuff like that. Super cool process. The biggest reason why I actually wanted to put this in a video, they really are just really genuine people, and I love to show support to something like that, especially when I love it. Oh, we got a note! no, we gotta cut off, sorry. The rug people, I can't read, boys. Man, I thought I got over my dyslexia. Apparently that's a thing forever. Have an awesome day. God bless you is what I can read. Thank you so much for the note. That's next level. Top notch. Oh God, I'm so stoked, boys. This is better quality than I thought. She's a thick bitch. This is the size of Sasquatch's skin, I guarantee you. It's like, it's that type of thickness. Because one, I know they're not a mythical creature. They're actually real. All right, boys, moment of truth if you care. But I think more people are starting to care about NFTs. This is how it should look. Now, I've only seen videos of it in the progress. I haven't seen it done yet. That's my NFT. It's World of Woman. It was a good play. It was a good play on my mind. I think it was a nice NFT to buy, not financial advice. Now, we're gonna see. Oh, dude, I'm stoked. If it looks like the real thing. Boys, here, oh, it even looks sick on video. Here is our World of Women NFT rug. We're actually redoing our basement soon and a bunch of stuff in our house, and I'm just trying to like get a bunch of decorations. That's why the last video was also NFT decoration base. Holy mother of God. This is so much better quality. Once again, I'll get paid to say this, boys. At all, I promise you. This is so much better quality than I would have ever imagined. Guys, you killed this. If you see these little streaks right here, that's just from like the packaging. That'll come out. An amazing freaking piece. Shout out Rich Class Decor, 100%. This is just stuff, as you become an adult, you buy things to put on your floor and step on. Is that how life works? I don't know. Well, I mean, at least I got another woman to smooch now, you know? I'm a married man almost. So. Rugs don't count as cheating, boys. Alright, boys, here's what it looks like on the floor, man. I just dig it. I think it's like, I don't know about craftsmanship on rugs, I ain't gonna lie to you, but it looks pretty damn sick. George, you better stay over there, big guy. We're gonna have a massive issue. Compared to the foot, I dig it. Very sick, appreciate the rug, back to the dogs. What's going on, big guy? Okay, let's do the tear around one more time, eh, bud? Blop, 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 blop. Never feel. Oh, you're getting tired now, eh? What are you? How old are you now? How old are you now? Oh, your head. That was your head, bro. Are you okay? Oh no, get away from the rug. Get away from the rug while I pet Nelly. Not Nelly. Anyway, shout out people for sending that. Hopefully you guys dig it. Also, I'm having a video coming out soon. Somebody was calling me out on the NFTs that I show off, such as that one, or the Mutant Ape Yacht Club that I own, not being mine. And that would be a fraud issue. Actually, it would be if it wasn't. And also, like, very illegal. So I'm gonna have a video debunking that. And I've been trying to hit him up, and he won't respond to his comments. But it became a thing because people that were commenting on last video, he was commenting on the same thing under all those comments, so it's a bad look for me. And also, it sounds like a fun video, so I'd love to hop on a FaceTime with you. I know you're watching probably, dude. And, you know, just hop on a FaceTime. We'll do, like, a fun time. I'm not mad at you, but I think you're making yourself look a little dumb, but we'll make you look good. And I'll show you out at the end of the video, too, big guy. So, anyway, we'll do that. Boys, back in action and we're out, right? Right? All right. See you guys later. I'm gonna go make love to my rug, bro.